In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Acrobat Pro Web that opens or attaches a file from your PDF. To get started, open your PDF document in Acrobat Pro Web using Chrome. Make sure the file is fully loaded before you begin editing, so all of the tools and panels respond properly. Working in Chrome is helpful here because Acrobat Pro Web is designed to run smoothly in the browser, and it gives you direct access to the form editing features you'll need for this task. Once your PDF is open, go to the Prepare a Form Editing panel. This is the area where Acrobat lets you add interactive fields and controls to your document. If you're creating a fillable or more dynamic PDF, this section is where you'll spend most of your time. The Prepare a Form workspace is especially useful because it lets you place elements visually on the page, making it easier to build the exact experience you want. From the list of form components, choose the button tool. This is the interactive element that allows a reader to click and trigger an action. Buttons are useful when you want a PDF to do more than just display information. In this case, you'll be setting it up so the button can open or attach a file, which can be helpful for supporting documents, instructions, or related resources. After selecting the button tool, click on the page and place the button box anywhere in your available page space. You can position it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout, such as near instructions, next to a related section, or in an area where users will easily notice it. As you place it, think about visibility and usability. A button should be easy to find and should not overlap other content. Once the button has been added to the page, open its properties settings. This is where you define what the button will actually do. In the Properties window, go to the Actions section. Then set the button's action so it executes an open or attach file trigger. This connects the button to the behavior you want, allowing users to interact with the PDF in a more functional way. Before finishing, it's a good idea to review the button placement and settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. If needed, you can adjust the size or position so it fits neatly into your document. And that's it. You've created a button in Acrobat Pro Web that can open or attach a file directly from your PDF.